contact me, okay? Contact me. You can always have it. I'm not greedy. You can always have it to pop out your ass more out. 2019, you need to glow more. You need to, everything need to be on point. You know what I mean? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Get Selling. I'm coming up to you with another fun video. Why the title? You know, I'm coming at you with a fun video. I'm so excited to show you guys this thing. For me, it's just like I don't know how to say it. Let me be serious guys. Today I'm coming to you with a Fashionnova bottom shape wear, okay, underwear. Alright, most of you might have seen this, some of you might have not, but I decided, why not, let me show you guys. Let me show you how you should pop your bottom in 2019. Your bottom needs to be popping. If not, you are not the baddest. Oh shit, the baddest. Oh shit, the baddest, like Bobrisky always say. So today I'm coming up to you with a Fashionnova bottom shape underwear. And yeah, before we start guys, you know the deal, you know how we roll. Please go ahead, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. With that being said, if you're interested, you want to see how it looks on me, you know what to do, just stick around. But I'm just going to be telling you how I feel, my honest opinion. Please feel free to leave your honest opinion. We don't bite, we roll together, right? This is how it looks like. You guys have seen it. You have seen it a lot on YouTube, on Instagram. Anyway, this is how it looks like, okay? For my personal opinion, I think I don't need it, but there are a lot of people who need it. If you don't have curvy, you need it. It's a lifesaver for a lot of people. So that is why I'm showing you. You might have need it. It's not that expensive, okay? So since I bought it, I've not weighed, because you know why? It makes my figure to look different. So I'm happy with my figure. So yeah, you know, sometimes it's always good to try something to know for yourself. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's black. It has this kind of stripe at the back. At the front is just normal plain, and it's very short. And the size I got is size S. Recommendable for people who don't have curvy. So when you have curvy, darlings, you don't need it, okay? It's recommendable, okay? If you want to make your ass extra pop more, you can use it. But when you have that nice figure already, you don't need it. Don't waste your coins on something like this, okay? I might give it to someone someday, because I didn't really use it. I only try it on this video and also when I receive it. So yeah, I didn't really. You can go ahead. It's very recommendable. It's very recommendable. If you need it, it's recommendable for tiny, super tiny waist girls. Hip. If you don't have hip, you want to pop out your ass more, like I said, it's recommendable. And let me just tell you a little bit about the underwear, about this shape underwear. Okay, this is how it looks like at the back. This is what is going to sit between your bottom, okay? This is going to be at the middle, just like your normal underwear, okay? Your normal underwear slip. Note is a meshed material, and it has no lining inside. There is no secure, so it just mesh and see through. Front, it has this kind of cutting inside going on, so you can't see the front area at all, and it's super duper tight, because I got my size small, of course. So this is how it looks like. This area, this open space, is where your bum is going to sit in. So this is going to go, this will not go really into your bottom. It's not going to stay, it's just going to be at the middle. It's just going to be at the front. It's not going inside at all, so don't worry about that. Maybe this is going to be itching between. So this is where your bottom is going to sit. It's going to pop it out. So this side is just going to be flat. The two sides is going to be flat. Only the front has extra cutting inside, and at the front it has normal meshed material, and it has this label right here. And for the waist, is very tight, it's very secure. It's a secure waistband attached to it. So yeah, I don't think it's a bad thing, okay? It's recommendable. I recommend it to you guys. Interested, contact me, okay? Contact me. You can always have it. I'm not greedy. You can always have it to pop out your ass more out. 2019, you need to glow more. You need to, everything need to be on point, you know what I mean? As it was really fun for me doing this video to show you guys how it looks like on me, okay? So yeah, like I was, as you can see me doing on the video, the side was just everything was just showing that I wear something. At the bottom it's not number, it's not a number underwear. Everything is just showing. See online, you know, you want to wear it, you want to try it, at the end of the day you'll be disappointed. So yeah, that is why I'm here to show you and give you some tips and tricks how to go about it when it comes to something like this. So without any further ado, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take a chop.
I just need to clear my head.